Hey guys, this is DIY or Die here, and today I'm going to show you a little trick on how to take the outer jacket off of multi-conductor cable. So let's get started here. So essentially how this works is you just take a basic pipe cutter, copper pipe cutter, and you can get these for cheap in any hardware store. And how these work, they have a little knife right there, just like a pizza cutter knife, and they got some rollers on this side, and you can just change the size of it with this screw here, and it's just good for cutting pipe. But this actually works great on, like I said, multi-conductor cables, just for getting that outside jacket off. I've used them on 4-strand cables. I've used them on, heck, I've used it on this cable here actually. This is meaty cable. You can use it on practically any size wiring you want, and so I'll show you here. I'll tighten this up if I can with one hand. And that's about the amount of stuff I want off. So you just tighten it up just so it gets nice and firm there, not too tight. And you just want to get, if you can focus here. There we go. So right now I just have it at a tightness where it's just kind of scoring at the outer jacket there, as you can see. So I'm going to zoom out here. Do that a couple times. When it starts to feel loose, tighten a bit more. And then again, you do the same thing. Okay, twist it around. And you just keep slowly repeating this process. And you don't want to go too quickly, because if you do, you'll cut through the outer jacket, and then you're not going to have a fun time. See, we're starting to make some progress here. So again, tighten some more. There we are. And you can see we're almost breaking through in some spots. So I'll give it one last, doesn't take much, a couple more times around, and that should do it. Now let's undo it. And as you can see, I've actually cut through, but the wire itself, the inner jackets, are completely fine. So now you just stretch it, bend it different opposing directions, get that final snap of the outer jacket, and pull. So yeah, as you can see, nice clean cut around there. It's very even, and it looks very professional. So that's how I recommend people strip the outer jackets of cables, just with the old pipe cutter. You can get these in many different sizes. This one goes a little over ½ an inch, I think. But yeah. So yeah, that was just a quick little video there showing you how to do this. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.